Now let's take a very brief look at another color space called the hue, saturation and value space. To create this, we are going to create a variable that is HSV, that is equal to CV2 dot CV2 color method, and here we are going to pass the color and CV2 dot color capital underscore BGR to HSV. So this will indicate how we are going to conversion from BGR format to HSV. So here next I'm going to use the split command again. So for his here the HSV and is equal to CV2 dot split and pass the HSV to it, and now HSV underscore split, and here in P dot concatenate and pass the S comma V, and here the X is for 1 to show it in the horizontal, and here CV2 dot unshow again, and here just we need to pass it the split HSV, and here HSV underscore split pass to it. So that's it. And now here basically you will notice that to run it means like to just to run it in the command, just let's move here and they call the method function again. If you see here now can see the HSV split above our RGB unit. This one is the HSV split and this one was the RGB split. So if you see, it means like notice the images look very different. On the left hand side we have our hue channel, which indicates the type of color that we see in the 360-degree format. In the middle we have our saturation value, and which has indication of how saturated an individual color is, and on the far right we have the value channel, so which indicates only how luminous the channel is. You can notice, for example, in hue section all the leaf appear to be about to the same color, the same shade of dark. This is one way, and that it may be more efficient to operate in the HSV space than the RGB space. For example, we want to isolate the particular color. Keep in the mind the different color profiles available as you are working through more sophisticated filtering and processing. You may find a task nearly impossible to complete in one color space bar, but trivial in another. So this was about the pixels data and the colors, the channels. So I'll be back with next lecture, and thank you.